right, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, this is part of a collaboration called Fun in the Sun Open Series. And the host of this collaboration is SANDYLYNN's Home and Garden, myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. We have Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, Dream with Caroline, and May's Design Corner. So in this video today, I decided to have some tea outside while the sun is peeking in and out. All right, well, in setting the tone, we placed a yellow table cloth over this table. I also got a buffalo check placemat and my Ray Dunn tea set. So I also decided to place a mini lantern and this beautiful bouquet of flowers. Now here we have my outdoor chair with the white pillows, and I decided to use a black throw, and this set the tone for my day. All right, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.